rain protection and things like that. This works for really any RC. Any RC. Now, the things that even the factory screens don't tell you is to add maybe some kind of little booster for the fans and things like that, because you will need those. And I'm not gonna even hold you. They're the best. And this one right here is the Kaiju. As you can see, I put all the new screws in. The other ones were kind of going bad, so I just didn't want to deal with those. So what I did, changed everything out. This is a BLX system in here, so kind of impressed with that. So what I was saying on the screen, all I did was took a regular little bit of mesh, screen door mesh, not the metal kind. You have to get some kind of fiber or something like that, or what is that? You know the material, but not that metal. It'll rust. You take maybe some Gorilla Tape, and you can get some regular Velcro off of Amazon, Walmart, anywhere, and lay your tape across flat first, flat across, and then you take your tape after you make your cuts, so you know the shape. You make your cuts. You take your Velcro here, and you put a piece here first. You take another piece here, and you put it same on the other side.
We got ourselves a canary in a coal mine, my friend.
Okay. You take your screen or your mesh, have that handy, because you can always get that mixed up. So lay it which way you want to lay it on here. So you lay it on. I mean, you put your opposite side of the Velcro on, both sides. You lay your screen across. Lay your screen across and mash it down to where it is. Now, the glue from your Velcro will hold this down somewhat. So that's good enough for you. That'll give you how tight you need it and everything else. Don't worry about the top and the bottoms at all. That'll come in later, because you'll probably need to flex that. Like I had to do here to flex it up over the receiver box and the power switch, which, you know, like I say, BLX system, that's something else. So you take that and you lay it on there. Now it'll still be kind of loose. You take your double-sided tape, you take your Gorilla Tape, which is, this is the rubber kind, not that that other kind, whatever that is. But this is the rubbery kind. You take it and just push it on. Same thing for the other side. Push it on. Good. Pick it up. Take it off. You see how easy that came off. You take it off and just mash it together. Let it sit for about a day, because you want it to really stick. Then you take your ends and you fold it across the tops to where you need. And this has lasted me, I would say, 2 winters. The first one burnt up from the fire I had from the factory ESC. But other than that, hey. And also, guys, I'm gonna show you that this does work on a lot of different ways on your RCs. Now, I did a little run, so I cleaned it, so things is a lot messy down here. So here, right here, this is the earthquake. As you can see, if you look at the other videos, I usually have those. Wow, getting kind of blurry. Okay, you can see that clear now. But as you can see, I have it across there. I also use it on the blackout, because dust falls in there, everything falls in there and drops down into the body. As you can see here is the inside of the blackout. Okay, kind of shaky right now. I didn't think it would let me go live, but it did. So that's a plus. And here is my drift car.
You haven't slept for a week.
Same here.
I'm hallucinating because that's on the red body.
And nothing goes in but dust. That's all I get. Maybe a small pebble here and there, but none of those big rocks.
It wasn't me. It's you. He was wrong.
And I have a few others.
You are it.
But you get the picture. So let's get back over here to the kaiju. I also have it on the shredder. I mean on the Mojave. But what I was saying about the metal on the Mojave, I'd use this because I just ran out of the other. And this is the metal. And this is what you get out of the metal here. Look how that looks. It looks horrible compared to that. So you don't want to go with the aluminum or whatever this is here. Look at that compared to this here.
No other options.
Ray, what's that around your neck?
See, so you want to go with that. So eventually I'm going to change the Mojave over once I change the screws over, because I'm going to change those screws too. I ordered these screws for this one here. So I'm going to go at this later on. But with the Armor brand, if you want to do this, guys, I would advise not cutting this out here. This is a spare piece that I had, but I would advise not cutting this out because things could still fall in there. So what I'm going to do is the whole sheet and maybe put a piece of this Gorilla Tape here so it doesn't get scuffed up and make holes in it. So guys, tell me what you think about it. Hit that like, subscribe, custom before play. Go mode, we out.
I realize now that Kyle Brokowski was stopping nothing to break us apart.